Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you've been enjoying the videos. First video this morning went through and did River Caves Canyon. That was absolutely stunning. This afternoon I'm going to be doing Twister. Now most definitely taking the wetsuit for this one because I will be getting wet. Hopefully I'm going to bring you some good shots from this canyon. It's a bit of a walk down into the gully down there, and then we'll get going. So hopefully we have fun with this one. Well, the walk down wasn't too bad. Just here at the start to Twister. Let's get twisty and go through. Yep, I got the bottom. Yeah. Hey, how much fun's that one? Oh my God. Go for it. Woo! See. Well guys, that was awesome. Absolutely love Twister. That last jump there at the end, mate, that got me. Jumping down into a little pool, looking further down, totally safe, lots of fun. Yeah, the end of it now, we're heading back to camp. But if you like my videos, make sure you hit that like, share and subscribe. Guys, make sure you get out there, look after our bush so it doesn't get locked up, and have fun.